Well, I get the feeling this is a Catholic church. That's kind of not what I expected. But, you know, hey, whatever. It's just huge, but empty. And lots of people. I guess they're waiting for the next service. Chandeliers. But this is what tipped it off. That it might be Catholic. I don't know what this is, but it's kind of interesting. But people are dipping their head into the water, dipping their hats into the water. I don't know, but it's very, very